Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create fire and flames in Photoshop. So first enable the curvature tool, then draw a path where you want your fire to appear. Then go to Filter, Render, and Flame. Select multiple flames at various angles, then check the randomized length checkbox, then click OK. And there we have our flame, but now you can make it way better. So add a new layer, then come over here and select blending options. Change the blend mode to color dodge, then uncheck transparency shape layers and click OK. Now you'll take this color, using this color that you have in our foreground, you'll take the brush and paint over your wood to make it look like the fire is coming from down here all the way up. Like that. Just to make it a little bit more realistic. And there we have it. A cool fire and flame effect in just a matter of seconds.